Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You have access and the device in front of you. Start immediately. First, confirm whether you need admin rights because some commands show more detail with elevation. Once done, identify the OS family, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and open the Settings app or a shell, Command Prompt, PowerShell, or Terminal, so you can run the specific version checks. Make sure to keep the device connected to power. This prevents interruptions during later update checks and log collection. Now run the platform-specific commands, and I'll explain why each helps. On Windows, WinVer gives a quick dialog with build info, while System Info returns architecture and patch level in text, useful for scripts. On Mac OS, About This Mac shows the product name and version, and SWVers prints precise build numbers for support. On Linux, LSB release or /etc. /OS release reveal distro ID and version. They are consistent across distributions. Finally, interpret the numbers. Major version indicates feature set, build number shows incremental fixes, and kernel version impacts drivers. Compare these to vendor support timelines, and then decide whether to update or archive the device state. Make sure to save command output with the device name and date for audits. If a command fails, check your path and permission level. Alternatively, use the GUI system info panels. If you still hit errors, restart the shell or boot into recovery to run diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.